Udaka Shanti. Udakam itself means water. Udakam means water. Not only in Sanatana Dharma, in any Dharma you see they have water in it. Why? It means there is a science in this water. Water has some logic behind it. Why is it suggested that you keep water in a copper vessel and leave it overnight and then drink it the next morning? Because water has a capacity or a tendency to absorb things from its surrounding. Water intakes something from the copper. It is absorbing something from the copper, which is again entering our body and favoring us. It is adding wellness to our body. Yes or no? So similarly, in all these kalasham inside it we keep water. Because water absorbs. What does it absorb? It basically, on a very microcosmic level, it absorbs the energies from its surroundings. Water absorbs the energies. So whatever we chant, mantram, it is sound energy. And energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. So we are not creating this energy. We are not emitting this mantram. We are becoming, a person becomes, a human body becomes an instrument for this mantram to enter and exit through your body. So we are becoming just a passage for this mantram. So Udaka Shanti in Krishna Yajurvedam, Vedam is very big. It is an ocean. So from it is basically an aviyal. It is, we have taken important Anuvakam, paragraphs from different parts of Veda. Samhita, Shakha, even Rudram. We have taken so many different important parts and we have made a beautiful compilation. That is what is called as Udaka Shanti. So whatever japam we do, this water retains. Talking scientifically, water shows two properties, crystallization and polarization.
Oh.
So the water molecules, they tend to change their characteristics and they change their molecular structure when exposed to certain energies. So when we emit all these energies on this kalasham, this kusha is pavitram, this acts as a tower to absorb all these networkings, right? This absorb all these channel. It is a channel to absorb all these mantras, energies, and it restores it. It retains in this kalasham, and this water is again, it will be poured on the couple so that it again enters the body. And the same jalam would be given as the charanamritam or tirtham. Why? Because even our body is made up of 70% water. That is why it is suggested to chant. Why? There are three modes to chant. You can chant loudly. You can chant so that you only know what you are chanting. The third level is you can chant without the lip movement. That is inward journey. Why? Because then only the 70% water which is inside you, that will undergo changes. How will the water inside you absorb the energy? If you chant inward. Okay, that is why we have started the Udaka Shanti now. We will be starting with the Udaka Shanti. And that is all. Ram Ram.
Very good.